going on, guys? So on today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of magnet fishing again. We have come down to literally the middle of nowhere for this video.
The bayou.
We are in the bayou. You've actually seen this place before in our videos. We came out here we started this channel for the very first time. We actually went out here and kayaked it. So now we decided we're going to come out here and actually magnet fish this because it's out in the middle of nowhere, which means there's potential for people to actually throw stuff way out here, like guns or anything like that. So our goal is, of course, to maybe find something like that. So find a potential murder weapon. Never know. So we're going to get out here. We're going to throw our magnets out here and we're going to see what we can find. But we'll see you after on the bridge, guys. All right, guys. So if you can see where we're at now, we are down at Bayou Creek. This is kind of a river, a little creek area outside in the middle of nowhere. Kind of comes off the main river out there. And what we're going to do is we're going to throw our magnets in here and we're going to see what we can find.
Do you just drop it?
It depends. Sometimes we do, sometimes we just drop it.
Or do you just ease it down in there?
I ease it.
Okay.
So take it like right here.
Yeah. I was like, are you holding on?
Don't, just be careful. Don't pull it in. Yeah, don't let it hit the bridge either.
Okay.
Now just drop it in slowly.
Here we go. My first time.
I might use this footage anyway without your permission. Guys, this is my mom. She's trying magnet fishing for the first time.
Oh.
She's gonna drop. There you go. Got it in. So, and just let it sink to the bottom.
It's hit bottom.
Okay. Now the best thing to do is just kind of bring it up a little bit and just let it tap on the ground.
Okay. Now what do I do?
Well, you can move it around.
Oh.
Like,
I was like,
you typically just kind of bring it up a little bit and then just bring it across the bottom. So. You're using our biggest magnet. It's the heaviest. So. Here, I'll pull it up. You never know. Small things.
I have a stick.
I ain't a stick, it's metal if it's magnetized to it. Alright, so looks like
he's got a
my mom pulled in something. Looks like a
stick.
It's not a stick, it's an old wire or a nail or something like that.
Yay.
But
Okay, guys, so got my fiance Bailey out here handling the magnet today. Dropping it down into
This makes me dizzy.
the water. Makes you dizzy?
Yes.
Why is that?
I feel like I'm gonna fall in.
Okay, don't fall in.
Is it?
Alright, so you hit the bottom yet?
No. Pretty deep.
Once you don't feel the weight anymore, you'll probably be at the bottom.
No, I feel it.
Okay.
Okay.
No, just kind of like drag it around to the bottom, see if you can feel it magnetized to anything. Down right below. I got a little nail.
straight below. Hey, you got a little nail?
I don't know what this is actually. It's tiny.
I'll be part of the fishing hook. Yay, bucket.
Got something. Found something here. Looks like I got the bottom of a can. I think it's the bottom of a can. Or top of a can. Broken off. Travis. I think it's the bottom of a can. Very dirty. Travis, bring your magnet over here.
Oh, you got something?
Yeah, I keep popping off of it.
Alright.
Me too?
Guys.
Oh, yeah.
You feel it now?
Yeah. I do.
Okay, I guess I just came off of it.
I do too.
I wonder what that is.
Oh, no, I didn't.
You got it. Oh, I got part of it. You got a line there.
Well, you got some kind of
Just a big piece of metal, pretty gross.
It is. Oh, look, I got more of it. Whatever it is.
Your car.
Could be.
I hooked directly onto it.
Of course you did. Alright, so I'll pull up a bunch of metal fragments. Probably what Jordan's hooked on.
Oh, Got something. Got another piece of metal. You did. Good job. Bailey pulled up something with a little magnet.
Yeah.
Small piece of metal.
A baby piece of metal.
Similar to that same metal.
Looks like it.
I mean, does anybody drink coffee? I'll have some coffee ready. No coffee drinkers?
Not me. Hey!
Well, I'll have some made anyway.
I don't know what it is. I don't know. I have no idea what it is.
It's like a nut, like a
Hey,
car
I got
lug nut.
Bailey's
I don't know.
shit on that one.
Maybe.
Mocha frappe? Heck
I
yeah.
don't really know what it is.
It's like
Some kind. Oh, it is some kind of bolt. You're right. Probably came off this bridge. How big it is?
No, I'm not.
yeah, it's possible.
Tired.
Look.
My feet are getting cold.
Oh yeah,
I think it might be one of
it
those.
might be.
Pretty much matches the size.
It ain't quite as big though.
No, it's tall.
Might be though. You got set in the bucket for me, gets there. Hey! It is an arrowhead. From bow fishing. I know exactly what that is. Nice. You guys, we found a little bow fishing arrow. So that's what they use when they go out bow fishing and everything. Same, very similar to what we use, or what I use as well. So nice. That was a cool find. Nice. Good find. Good find. So like a long time ago, before I even met Jordan, actually, I bow fished down here a lot, and I actually broke an arrow down here. So who knows? That might have been my point from like 8 years ago. Hey, Jordan. I found a Smirnoff cap. Yeah? Found a Smirnoff cap, guys. There you go. Ah. Alright, well. Like I said, we didn't find a whole lot. We got a few metal trinkets, I guess, as you call it. My mom found her first find. That was kind of cool. Of course, I had to say my favorite find today was the bow fishing arrowhead, personally.
Yeah,
Same. George says that he agrees. That seems to be our best find of the day. So that's kind of cool. But definitely wasn't a treasure trove kind of like we were hoping or what we were thinking. But, oh well. It wasn't bad. It was a fun day.
We learned to get better gloves for next time. Hey guys, so we just finished up our magnet fishing video down here at the bayou in the middle of nowhere. We didn't find all the stuff that we were kind of hoping to find. It wasn't a bust though, so at least that's good. We found a few little things. Like Travis said earlier, the little arrowhead from bow fishing was probably our coolest find. But we had fun. It was a little cold. We're gonna look at getting some gloves like we said. But overall we found a few little bit of trinkety things. So
yeah, my mom got her first find, so
that's true.
yay to my mom.
For sure. We appreciate them coming out and watching us. So anyways guys, we're gonna keep doing some magnet fishing videos even though it's cold. We're gonna keep it up. So make sure you guys drop some likes and some comments, any ideas or things that you have. But anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep watching us do this. So until next time guys, keep it real.